Hey, good morning everyone. How's it going? So today's video is actually pretty short and it's very important because I'm going to talk about the cooking oils that you have to use, the healthy ones. In another video, I will tell you which are the bad ones. Okay, but today we're going to tell you the top 4 oils that are good for cooking. Okay, so stick around and let's get to it. Okay, so before we start, say hello to Canela. You guys know Canela by now. Alright, so today's subject is awesome. It's about the cooking oils that you can use, the healthy ones. There are many oils out there, and the ones that I'm going to give you are the ones that you have to use when you're cooking, when you're warming up food, or when you're eating food already heated up, basically. Number 1 is actually avocado oil. Avocado oil has the highest resistance of heat. Okay, it has a little bit of a bitter taste at the end, but you can actually compensate or balance it out in taste by adding some olive oil at the end after it's already heated up and on your plate. At that point, you can add it. Okay, so avocado oil is one of the best ones because it has monounsaturated fats that are good for your brain and your overall health. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 is ghee. Ghee is actually, you can make it at home by cooking cow milk butter. Okay, and basically you just heat it up at low temperature slowly. It takes a little bit of a process, and as you remove, it leaves like a transparent color on it. Once it gets to that point and everything else has evaporated, that's when you can actually use it. It has saturated fats and everything, but the process of removing, or the process of making it, removes the casein and it removes lactose. So it makes it healthy at that point. Okay, so it's really good for you. The next one is coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of my favorites. It's actually relatively inexpensive. It's like solid. You can buy it organic at a good price. Number 4 is sesame oil. This is omega-6, and obviously omega-6 is not good for you, but you can add olive oil after you heat up your food. That balances out the omega-6 from it. Okay. Now the next one, the last one, is actually extra virgin olive oil, and that one is actually not for cooking. You don't want to cook with that. Okay, unless I believe they sell some high heat olive oil, but I don't recommend it. You can actually eat olive oil by tablespoons if you want to, but what you want to do, and that's actually what I do, after I warm up my food or after the food is already on my plate, I take olive oil and basically pour it all over. It's really good for you because the monounsaturated fats is omega-3, omega-9, etc. Okay, so that's all the oils that I have for you. I told you it was a short video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So if you want to know more about this topic and in other topics that I'm talking in different videos, you can actually buy my book right here, Prevention Health for Optimal Health. You can get it on Amazon. The e-copy is actually only like $4.99, and if you want to buy the printed copy, I think it's like $13 or and change. So it's not really that much. It has a ton of information for you, including what I just talked about today and other topics that I will be talking in future videos. Okay, I'll see you on the next video, which will be about the bad fats or the bad oils that you should not use for cooking or eating at all. Okay, all right. God bless you, take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.